Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I wanted to show you a really simple yet really glam eye look. It's perfect for the holidays, perfect for New Year's, perfect for Christmas, whatever you like, or just, you know, on the daily. It's using only 2 products. Yeah, because you can use really anything in your corner. You don't even have to use anything in your inner corner. And of course I popped on lashes because that's just who I am. Also on my lips, I just did a swatch video of the Urban Decay red lipsticks, so check that out on my Instagram. It will be up there. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this really easy glittery winged liner look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with the NYX Epic Ink liner, and I'm going to start at the outer corner of my eye and start winging that out. So I'm going to be going through this like in real time so you can really see. If you're a beginner, I mean, this is a great way to learn a wing. So I just draw across my lash line, but like leaving a gap, and then I'm going to go in and fill that in. This liner is really great because it has such a thin tip and you can really get a really precise line. So because I have wrinkly eyelids, it's getting old thing. I just have to go over that little area there a couple of times before I kind of like the way that it looks and to get it like nice and smooth. So yeah, I'm just going to be filling this in, and you want to lighten the pressure as you come to the tail of the wing, just so you get it really sharp. So now I'm going to be taking the Violet Voss liquid glitter in Cosmic. I'm not sure if it's called liquid glitter or glitter gel. This is so pretty. I used it in a look on my Instagram last week and everyone was like, what is that? It's so pretty, so I decided to film a little too on just a liner because I really like it and I thought it was really festive and perfect for the holidays. So I'm really taking my time with this, and also I'm using this on a Suva Beauty 640 brush. It's the biggest one, but then pretty sure I switched to the smaller brush for the point of the wing. But I like to apply the glitter gel on the back of my hand and then apply it with a brush because I can be really precise with it. So yeah, like looks like this just require lots of patience. Just take your time with it because the end result will be so pretty. Alright, I feel like you got the point of it, so I just sped it up in these clips. Really, I'm just going over the rest of the wing and making sure it's all covered. Alright, so now I'm taking the ABH Sultry palette and taking the shade Pearl to highlight the inner corner of my eye, just because it was sitting on my desk and I haven't used it yet. This is the first time using it. It's really pretty, but honestly you can highlight your inner corner with anything. And then for lashes, I'm just popping on the House of Lashes Stella Luxe lashes and just showing you mascara on the lower lashes. I don't know why, just felt like filming that. Pretty risky, I could have poked myself in the eye. It's usually why I don't film it. It's annoying how like my lashes always look like there's a gap in between my lashes and false lashes. It's because I freaking have blonde hair, but I promise you they're stacked right on top. Also, my lashes don't really curl, so they don't stay lifted. It's annoying. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Let me know what you want to see down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!